5-star copies all. Go ahead. Message to observer. Alpha 3 rounds. AT delay in effect. 3 guns. Bravo 2 rounds. 2 guns. Smoke on effect.
Hey, what's up, y'all? A quick trade analysis from February 9, 2023 on some great SPX puts we nailed for about 32% or so. And I wanted to kind of lay out the trade before we kind of get into it. Right here, you see Bookmap. You see there's a great amount of liquidity sitting here at 41.55 that looked like it was going to be transacted based on the price action. Also, it's got the session range POC, which you can see indicated by this dotted yellow line. In addition to that, this is the chart that we were dealing with so far. You see, we've got the upper range of the day, which is the blue line, the lower range of the day, which is the red line. It's a very key range that I love to play. Rejections off the highs, bounces off the lows to see where the price action wants to pivot. But also you see they have this weakening wiki price action indicated by the 2 white lines, which is just an upward channel. I don't like to use a lot of patterns, but I do like to notate when the market is putting in a certain trend, and these levels indicate such as that. So I was already looking for weakness here, and the second I saw the little degradation in price action, the top wicking on the 5-minute chart, because I love to trade off the 5-minute, we finally get this move downwards through our support for a great sell-off to start off a trend down day. Let's get into it. Here's the video.
All right, I'm going to test a put here. I may regret it, but I'm going to test a put. I'm in 41.40 puts. I'm going to see if I can get a scalp on this thing. This looks like it's about to break through the bottom. I'm going to try it out. We got a POC right here, small position. There we go. See if that holds. There we go. A little bit down. Excellent. And down. Excellent. That is what I'm talking about, baby. I'm closing that. I'm taking that right there. Closed half right there. No, I'm going to hold it. I like it. It's going to keep going. I think. I'm going to hold the other half. Cautiously. Am I? Mine? Come on, give me a little more, baby. Give me 2. There we go. Excellent. Sustain me. Keep on going, baby. There we go. There we go. Oh, there's 30%. Oh, man. Now I'm taking it. Out. What did I tell you? They don't call it patience for nothing.